In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications for your Google Sheet. Staying on top of updates and comments in your spreadsheets can be essential for managing your projects effectively. So let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you never miss an important update. First, we need to access the right settings in your Google spreadsheet. Begin by opening your spreadsheet and navigating to the menu at the top. Click on Tools, which you'll find right there near the other familiar menu options. This is where you'll be able to manage your notification settings. Once you have selected Tools, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Notification Settings. This is where you have the flexibility to tailor how and when you receive updates about changes made to your document or any comments others may have added. Now that you're in the Notification Settings window, you'll notice a couple of different options. First, let's look at Edit Notifications. This is the section where you can determine what actions will trigger a notification to you. You have a couple of choices here. You can set it to alert you when any change is made to your spreadsheet, or you can specify that notifications should be sent when a user submits a form connected to the sheet. It all depends on what is most relevant to your needs and how actively you want to monitor the sheet. After deciding the trigger for notifications, you can choose the frequency of these notifications. There are two main options. You can have them sent in a daily digest, which is great for a less frequent overview, or you can opt to receive an email right away whenever the triggering event occurs. This immediate notification is perfect if staying updated in real time is crucial for your work or project. Switching gears, let's explore the Comment Notifications section. This section is particularly useful if your spreadsheet is a collaborative effort and multiple people are leaving comments. Here you have several options to tailor your notifications. You can opt to be notified of all comments made on the spreadsheet, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Alternatively, you can choose to receive notifications only when comments mention you specifically, or when they occur in threads you are involved with, perfect for minimizing email clutter while still keeping you in the loop on relevant conversations. Of course, if you prefer not to receive any comment notifications at all, there is an option for that as well. So, to recap, with Google Sheets, you have complete control over how you receive notifications, allowing you to stay engaged with your projects as much or as little as needed. By tailoring these settings, you can ensure that managing your spreadsheets becomes a smoother and more efficient process. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you feel empowered to stay connected and informed with your Google Sheet updates.